I welcome you back to this channel. Now this is what I'm going to use as my base for this pattern, and it's a very simple pattern. You will really enjoy it. So right now we are going to start. I'm going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3. So I insert in the second loop right here with triple crochet. I proceed, triple crochet, next, like so. So this is my border for this pattern. So right now I'm going to proceed. I chain 2, 1, 2. Haven't chained 2. I'm going to skip 3 at the base, 1, 2, 3. So I insert in the fourth loop. I chain 2, 1, 2. Still in that same loop. Where I have a triangular shape like so. So right now I proceed. I chain another 2, 1, 2. So I skip 3 at the base, 1, 2, 3. So I insert in the fourth loop like this. So I proceed, next loop, I chain 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. One, 2. In the same loop, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, then 4. Next, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, then 4. One, 2. Still in this loop. So this is how I'm going to proceed till I round it up on this row. Can you see? So as you can see, I've completed the round. Can you see? So I proceed. I chain another 3 here. 1, 2, 3. I insert second loop right here. Next, next, remember the border. So right now I proceed. I chain 2, 1, 2. So I insert here in this loop. One, 2. Still in this loop. 1, 2. So at the middle, in between this loop, in between these 2 triple crochets, I'm going to insert like so. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. Can you see? So I proceed again. I chain 2, 1, 2. I insert right here. I chain 2, 1, 2. 1, 2. And you see, so I proceed like so. 4. This is 3. Then the fourth one. This is how I'm going to proceed till I round it up. So having completed the round, as you can see right here, I'm going to proceed. I chain 3, 1, 2, 3. I insert in the second loop or the next loop, triple crochet, next, next, triple crochet. So 1, 2. Insert here, triple crochet, 1, 2. Still in this loop, 1, 2. So I'm going to count 1, 2. I skip the first one here. I insert in the next one with triple crochet. Then the next one I insert. You see? So I chain 2, 1, 2. I insert here with triple crochet. 1, 2. Still in this loop. 1, 2. I skip this first one. I insert in the next one with triple crochet. Then the next one I also insert here, triple crochet. Can you see? So I chain 2. I insert here with triple crochet. 1, 2. And you see? So can you see? So this is how this pattern is going to be repeated till I complete this video or this tutorial. So I proceed again. I chain 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. So in between this, I insert my hook. Here also I will be making 4 triple crochet. This is 2, 3, 4. Can you see? So 1, 2. Chain 2, insert 1, 2. So in between this, I make 4 triple crochets. Sorry, let me take that again. 4 triple crochets. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So it's going to be a repeated process till I complete this tutorial. Can you see? So I've come to the end of this tutorial. Can you see this pattern? Very, 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 very easy and beautiful. Can you see? Especially for beginners, you can use this to begin and you will find it very easy to crochet. Thank you very much for taking your time to watch this video. I really appreciate you. Thank you. And if this is your first time you watch my video, I welcome you to this great channel. Here is a channel where you can learn how to cut and sew, and at the same time how to crochet different patterns and wears. Thank you very, very much. All you need to do is to click on the subscribe button below, and you also click on the notification bell so that you can have access to my videos. So once again, I appreciate you all. Lest I forget, if you like this video, kindly click on the liking button below to appreciate this work. Thank you very much. So till I come your way again, bye for now.